Hello everyone, today we're going to review the Pythagorean theorem. There'll be 3 pages of questions. So the Pythagorean theorem comes from our formula sheet, right, which is right here. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Again, don't forget you get this on both days of the MCAS. Okay, it has all your area formulas, volume formulas, circle formulas, a trig, which we didn't do yet, and then it has those special right triangles, which we did. So up first, our first note question, we're trying to find this side here. That's a question mark. So remember, C is the side across from the right angle. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared, excuse me. And now we're going to fill it in. So a is 2 squared plus b is 5 squared equals c squared. You could put x or question mark. I just left it as c. So this gets me 4, not 4 squared, 4 plus 25 equals c squared, which gets me 29 equals c squared. And now I have to take the square root. But I want to show you guys this on the MCAS calculator. So here's a practice test here's the test from last year. Okay, the calculator is found right here at the top. So you push that calculator, and you want to find the square root of 29. So it'll be 29, and you push the square root button. This is the square root button right here. So boom, up pops 4.385, which will round to 4.39. And the squared button's right here. So if you wanted to do 2 squared, there's your 2 squared is 4. All right, so at the end 29, square root button, that's the squared button. Let me get back to this. Okay, so take the square root, and it's going to be 5.39. Okay, and here's yours. So you want to pause and do. Okay. Notes question again. And again, before I forget, the formula sheet can also be found right here. So this is where your formula sheet is that has the Pythagorean theorem. So if you click that button right there, that will be your formula sheet on the test. So again, we have a squared plus b squared equals c squared. The side across from the right angle is c. A and b fill in. Doesn't matter. I could have put b as 12 and a is the question mark. So we'll have 12 squared plus b squared. Okay, you could put question mark. You could put x. Doesn't matter. Equals c squared, which in this case is 15. So it'll be 15 squared. 12 squared is 144, plus b squared equals 225, which is just 15 squared, minus 144 from both sides. We'll get b squared equals 81. Okay, that's a minus sign right there. I'll put it in red. And now we take the square root. And the square root of 81 is 9. All right, so here's yours. Pause and do. And here's also yours as well. Pause and do this question here. Again, what is the length of one of these wires? Okay, show all your work. And then that will be it for today.